Yeah. You should play a part in IQ, man. I'm back, man, and we finally got the long-awaited video from my nigga Wildlife, 1Hunnud. Beat. We talked. Hopefully we can line this interview up. Hopefully he'll be on the first edition of the podcast if he want to. Y'all go subscribe and tap in, bro. Talented artist. 1Hunnud. Beat. Official video. Let's get it.
Man, I'm tired of this job, man.
I hate this shit too, bro. Then as soon as I get out of work, I gotta go deal with this stank head ass bitch.
Damn.
Bro, back to
My nigga said this stank head ass bitch.
your head stank, bro. She be wearing the same headscarf for 6 months straight, bro. On God, bro. Like, wash that shit.
You talking about your baby mama?
Yes, bro. I'm like, man, wash that goddamn headscarf, bro. Every time I roll over, bro, I'm about to die smelling that shit, bro.
Got to wash the head.
Smother her ass, real, bro. I gotta deal with that shit, then deal with this shit, bro. I'm tired of this shit, bro. Damn, bro.
The head? Her head?
Head, bro. His fucking whole headscarf. What y'all doing, man?
Yeah.
Y'all sitting around, come on, man. Y'all over here working, man.
Ain't been no card, can't be all.
Hey, yo, shout out to Wildlife 100 for actually putting together a real fucking video, nigga. Not just a performance, you know what I'm saying? Good shit, my nigga. He nigga said, I'm gonna make a real video, like, no cap.
Come in right now. Well, hey, man, they coming in, man. Time and money, man. They talking shit, bro. I can't stand it. Sit your ass down, bro. You laughing at big ass shit until I jump somebody. What we need to do is find another fucking job, bro. Get some money so we can get some bitches, bro. You know, bitch, you want no niggas just like
You ain't lying.
It's serious, bro.
Yeah, that's the truth, though.
Shit crazy, man.
What we gonna do?
You jumping some new goddamn clothes, bro. We can't get no roll in this shit.
Come on, we got some money.
Come on in. Come on in. Keep coming. Right there, baby, good. Right there, yeah.
For sure.
Hey, Caesar.
Real.
Let me get that Supreme wash.
Real. BB. I be outside in a new thing called in the streets. Who me? I been in the trap every day. I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees. I need something like you. Do you need someone like me? If you ever lost, girl, I'ma find you. Even when you're wrong, girl, I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel about matching my designer? All the things you work for, you a rider. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest. I never needed a favor, nigga, I don't need you. I don't care nothing about no bitch if she ain't for my people, no. I want the front and the back end. How you gon' fuck with a hustler? He ain't got no sense. I paid in full for the beamer, I didn't even want the biz. I done got rich and I didn't even notice it. We got that dope that hit harder than COVID did. I pay the mortgage, I don't even pay the rent. How you fit in my circumference? I need a bitch that's gon' offer security. You know I been out here thugging it. Every street nigga need a real bitch. Real nigga gon' feel this. And I'd rather be on my own if you ain't got my back. How would you feel if I couldn't control the way I act? I don't do too bad, I don't care too much about no love. What you gon' do to ride with the plug? BB, I be outside in a new thing called in the streets. Who me? I been in the trap every day, I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees. I need something like you. Do you need someone like me? If you ever lost, girl, I'ma find you. Even when you're wrong, girl, I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel about matching my designer? All the things you work for, you a rider. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest. Talk to her. Lay it down. Never met another nigga like me around. Gotta be real when the time me down. I know you hear me. Been a supercharged BM, not a hit. And I want every bit of your mind you gon' give me. And I'd rather be on my own if you ain't got my back. How would you feel if I couldn't control my actions? I don't do too bad, I don't care too much about no love. What you gon' do to ride with the plug? BB, I be outside in a new thing called in the streets. Who me? I been in the trap every day, I don't get much sleep. I need something so real, you can feel it in your knees. I need something like you, do you need someone like me? If you ever lost, girl, I'ma find you. Even when you're wrong, girl, I'm behind you. I want something real, I don't want kind of. How you feel about matching my designer? All the things you work for, you a rider. Yeah, you might get hurt sometime, you gotta. All you gotta do is just be honest. Real.
100. That shit, bro. I got you fucked up, man. We gotta keep watching these cars for this bag of sock. Body built daddy. Come back over here, man.
And she fine, though, ain't she?
Fine as hell, man. She got you over there stuck on.
I'm trying to tell you, man.
Hey, moves she done out of the car, boy.
Oh, yeah?
There down.
I'm going to trip down in
Damn. Oh man, it's good to see, you know what I mean, artists really being artists, man. Shout out Wildlife 100, bro. That was a movie for sure. I'm gonna say at the minimum that's gonna get 100,000. At the maximum, who knows? Great job, nigga. Keep up the grind, keep up the hustle. And salute. I'm gone.